Morning DIYers, Chris here. Today we're up in Hendersonville starting a new job. We are doing a kitchen remodel. We're gonna rip out all the paneling, the kitchen cabinets, counters, all the appliances, and the floors. And we're gonna replace it all with drywall, new floors, put back the kitchen cabinets, the counters, the appliances, and then sand and paint the drywall. We're gonna do all that in a week. So I'll check back with you later here and show you our progress as we go. And we're gonna get her done. Check in later, thanks. Morning, Chris here. So we're up here in Hendersonville, second day on this kitchen remodel. The first day we did pretty good. We got all the paneling ripped out and got most of the drywall installed. We had to take out all the cabinets and clean everything up, but did pretty good. We got a few patches to put in above and below each window and the doors, but we'll get those in today and start ripping up some floor and probably get the upper cabinets put back in. So I'm gonna see if I can flip this around and show you what we've done. Not sure. I'll just flip it around here. So as you can see, we still got above and below each windows. We'll get all the big pieces put in. Well, all in all, it's coming together pretty good. So as you can see, we got some old 70s vinyl in here. So we got about 2 layers of vinyl that we have to pull up. And then we'll put back all the cabinets after we get the vinyl put back in. So there it is. Second update, second day. As soon as we get the drywall finished and some cabinets up, we'll give you another update tomorrow on today's progress. Stay tuned. Thanks. Well, there it is, drywall done. Just gotta mud it, sand it. We're probably gonna start putting up some cabinets now. Start tearing up this old vinyl. So there's an update. Drywall all is home. You want to get in the picture, Jacob? You want to get in the video? There's our lead man right there, Master Floorman Jacob. Ooh.
Why are you still videotaping?
Because I'm trying to get the whole thing. Just trying to show them. Good morning, Chris here. We're at day 3 on our kitchen remodel up here in Hendersonville. We had a very good day on day 2 yesterday. We got all the kitchen cabinets, the upper cabinets put in. We got all the hardwood floor. Well, it's not hardwood, it's snapped together tiles. And I'll show them to you here in a minute. Got all the drywall patches put in above and below each window and got some of it mudded. But today's goal is to get the rest of the hardwood floors mudded, get the windows and doors trimmed out, lower cabinets put in and the countertops, get our baseboard and shoe mold put in, get our crown mold tied into the kitchen cabinets, and get the appliances put back in, and the homeowner will be able to use her kitchen tomorrow on day 4. We still got to come back and sand the drywall mud and paint it. But after today, hopefully the biggest portions will be done. So I'll flip this around here and show you what we accomplished yesterday. So there's our click and snap tiles. They're 12-inch by 2 foot long. They went pretty good. And then there's our upper cabinets that we got put back in yesterday in the microwave. And as you can see, we got to trim out these windows and doors today and finish mudding. So that's it, and we'll get you an update as soon as all that's done and show you what it looks like at the end of today. Doing pretty good though. Give you another update later. Thanks. Good morning. We're on day 4 up here in Hendersonville on the kitchen remodel. We had a pretty good day yesterday. We got all the lower cabinets reinstalled, the appliances hooked up, sink and plumbing. Got all the windows and doors trimmed. Got the crown mold all back up. So today we're going to do some more light skimming on the drywall, and then probably do some sanding later, and hopefully tomorrow come back and paint. That'll be day 5, and hopefully we can wrap it up. We'll go inside here and show you what it looks like after all the doors and windows have been trimmed and the lower cabinets put in. So there's our windows, crown mold. So as you can see, it's all back together. Just gotta put the final touches on it. So tomorrow's the last day. Hopefully at the end of the day, I'll be able to give you an update on a finished project. Till next time. All right, folks, we're here in Hendersonville at the kitchen remodel. This is day 5. We are gonna wrap it up today. Yesterday came in and sanded the drywall and put a 3rd coat of mud on the wall. Some 45-minute mud, so it dries fast. And it's gonna look really good. I'm gonna sand it today and get this paint on the wall, paint the trim, and we should be finished with this. 5 days. That was my goal. 5 days, and probably the fastest we've done a kitchen remodel. We gutted the whole kitchen, took the kitchen cabinets out, floors, the walls, put up new drywall, put back the cabinets, put down new hardwood flooring, mudded, sanded, painted. 5 days. I'll give you an update here at the end of the day when it's all painted. Thanks. All right, day 5 here in Hendersonville at the kitchen remodel. We are complete. Everything is done, painted, put back. So I'm gonna show you what we've done. Painted the walls a silver sage, and then the trim semi-gloss white. But there it is, all complete. From the crown mold to the shoe mold, floors, cabinets, new drywall, all new trim in here. Everything is new, fresh. So there it is, all complete in 5 days. Y'all have a good day.